Spatial wallpaper not working on your iPhone 17 here. So how to fix it? For that, you need to open your photo section, select any photo. For example, I want to set this photo. Then you can see this icon, so you have to press on this icon to your enable spatial skin feature. So once done, you can see it's now active. Now go back and press and hold. Now press on share. Now here you can see the use as wallpaper. Press on use as wallpaper. Now your spatial wallpaper is still not working, then you have to enable this feature. Just generate spatial skin. Now let's check, it's now working. Press on add. Now set as wallpaper pair. Now go back, let's check it's working or not. Yeah, it's now set as spatial effect or 3D effect. So that's it. This is how you can easily set it. Thank you. Have a good day.